Hello students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting video, I would like to tell you something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, pause the video, note it and proceed on. If you find somewhere difficulty, then please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Now here is the question. A pendulum clock keeps correct time at 0 degrees Celsius. If the coefficient of linear expansion is alpha, then what will be the loss in time per day when the temperature rises by T degrees Celsius? Here we have given four options. Option A, alpha T by 2 day. Option B, alpha T by 2 in second. Option C, 1 plus alpha T upon 2 day, and last D option, 1 plus alpha T by 2 in second. Now here, first we will understand the effect of temperature on the pendulum. Here, let us suppose we have given a pendulum and its initial length is L naught at 0 degrees Celsius. Whenever we have giving the heat, then it shows the linear expansion, and suppose its length become L. So therefore, as the length is increases, then shows the time loss. Let us first we have to calculate the time loss. As we know that the formula of time period 2 pi root L by G. Here we have put in the place of L naught at 0 degrees Celsius, means initial length. Okay. Whenever we have giving the heat, then its time period become T dash equal to 2 pi and length become L by G. Okay. So let's say it is the first equation and it is the second equation. This second equation divided by first, T dash upon T is equal to 2 pi root L by G upon 2 pi L naught by G. 2 pi cancel out. T dash upon T is equal to, here G cancel out, L upon L naught. Here we are well known about that linear expansion L is equal to L naught 1 plus alpha into delta T. But here capital T we have already using for time period, so therefore we shows or we have taken theta, delta T, theta. Okay. So in the place of L we have put L naught 1 plus alpha, coefficient of linear expansion, and delta theta, temperature difference, upon L naught. L naught cancel out. Then T dash upon T is equal to 1 plus alpha delta theta, and it can be written as in the exponent form 1 by 2. Okay. Now it can be written as in the by using binomial theorem, 1 plus 1 by 2 multiply in second term 1 by 2 alpha delta theta. Okay. So here we have using 1 plus x raised to power n is equal to 1 plus nx. This is the binomial theorem concept. Okay. Now using componendo and dividendo. So therefore here we have using dividendo. What is a dividendo? A upon b is equal to c upon d, then a minus b upon d is equal to c minus d upon d. This is dividendo, and componendo, that is a plus b upon b equal to c plus d upon d. So here we have using dividendo, t dash minus t upon t. Numerator minus denominator upon denominator. Here let us suppose denominator is 1, then 1 plus 1 by 2 alpha delta theta minus 1 upon 1. So here t dash minus t upon t is equal to plus 1 minus 1 cancel out, 1 by 2 alpha delta theta. Here t dash minus t means delta t upon t. Okay, and 1 by 2 alpha. Here delta theta is temperature difference. So what is the temperature difference? T minus 0. Initial temperature is 0. So therefore, here time loss shows delta T by T is equal to 1 by 2 alpha T per day. Okay. So let's see which option is matched here. Here option A is correct. Alpha T by 2 per day. Okay. I hope so. You understood this question. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely, when you will become success, whole contribution goes to your hard work. But if my videos, my lectures, my questions will help in your success, I will consider myself lucky. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.